Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In the tutorial, I will show you how to complete the gossip quest about love story. The gossip quest from the passionate girl like this. So to complete this quest is very easy. First, just go to the passionate girl and then just talk to her, and then you will get this quest like this. In here, you need prepare one red rose. So you can just plant the red rose first at your home, and then next just harvest it, and then after that just go back to your passionate girl and then just talk to her, and then next just tap on the gossip love story like this, and then after that just give the red rose that you already harvest like this. And you can get this rose or you can get the rose seed from the NPC plant, but make sure you already unlock the gardening hobby level 10 or maybe 9, just like that. Just reach that level first, and after that just go buy the red rose seed from the NPC plant and then plant them, and then after that just harvest the rose after its bloom, and after that just give it to the passionate girl and then just submit like this. And just like that you will get the rewards like this. And then for the next class you need to go meet the guessing boys at the wheel mountain. This one, just go meet him, just talk to him, and then just tap on gossip love story like this, and then just submit the red rose to the guessing boy like this, and then just tap on submit like this, and then just go back to talk to the passionate girl again, talk to her, and then just tap on gossip quest, and just like that your class will be complete and you will get these rewards, these new clothes. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.